The IELTS speaking test is a face-to-face interview between the test taker and an examiner. It lasts about 11 to 14 minutes and is divided into 3 parts.
One, how would you describe the weather in your country? The weather in my country is quite varied. We experience 4 distinct seasons. Coastal areas have a more temperate and humid climate, while inland areas can get very hot in the summer and quite cold in winter. In general, summers tend to be hot and dry, while winters are milder with occasional rain and cooler temperatures. 2. What's your favorite season and why? I really enjoy spring because the weather is pleasant and not too hot or cold. The flowers start blooming and everything feels fresh and lively. It's also a great time for outdoor activities like hiking or walking in the park, and I love the overall positive energy that comes with the season. 3. Does the weather affect your mood? How? Yes, I do find that the weather affects my mood. On sunny days, I feel more energetic and motivated to get things done or enjoy outdoor activities. But during the winter or on rainy days, I tend to feel more relaxed and sometimes less productive. I think the lack of sunlight can make me feel a bit more sluggish or introspective. 4. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? Why? I prefer cold weather because it's easier to stay warm with layers of clothing, whereas in hot weather it's difficult to stay cool and I find it uncomfortable. I also enjoy cozy activities like drinking hot beverages or wearing warm clothes, which are only possible during colder months. 5. How do you usually prepare for extreme weather conditions, like rain or snow? When it rains, I always carry an umbrella or wear a waterproof jacket to stay dry. For snow, I make sure to wear several layers, including a warm coat, gloves, and boots to protect myself from the cold. I also keep an emergency kit in my car, just in case snowstorms cause travel delays. With extra blankets and water. 6. Has the weather changed in your area over the past few years? How? Yes, the weather in my area has changed. Summers have gotten hotter, with more intense heat waves, and winters have become milder, with less snow than we used to have. Rainfall has also become more unpredictable, with long dry spells followed by sudden heavy downpours. These changes seem to be part of a larger trend of climate change. Answer: a book I recently read is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's a philosophical novel about a young shepherd named Santiago who travels across the world in search of a treasure. Along the way, he encounters various characters who teach him valuable life lessons. The book explores themes of personal growth, following one's dreams, and the importance of listening to one's heart. I decided to read it because I had heard many positive reviews about how it inspires readers to pursue their passions, and I was looking for something motivational. I've always been fascinated by stories of self-discovery and adventure, so this book seemed like a perfect choice. From this book, I learned the importance of persistence and believing in your dreams. It taught me that the journey to achieving a goal can be just as meaningful as the goal itself. It also emphasized the idea that everything in life happens for a reason, and you should trust the process. I would definitely recommend it to others, especially if they're seeking inspiration or feeling uncertain about their path in life. The book is both uplifting and thought-provoking, and it has a timeless message about the pursuit of one's personal legend. Part 3, Discussion, 4 to 5 minutes. 1. How do books impact people's lives in your opinion? Answer: books have a profound impact on people's lives because they allow readers to gain new perspectives, learn about different cultures, and explore complex ideas. They can be a source of comfort, knowledge, and entertainment. Books can inspire people to take action, broaden their thinking, and even change their attitudes towards certain topics. Whether fiction or non-fiction, books are tools for personal growth and emotional understanding. 2. Do you think that reading habits are different for people of various age groups? Why or why not? Answer: yes, I believe reading habits vary across age groups. Younger people, especially children, tend to read more for entertainment and imagination, often engaging with picture books or fantasy stories. As people grow older, their reading habits shift toward more practical or intellectual pursuits, such as self-help books, biographies, or academic texts. Older adults may also read more for personal reflection, wisdom, or relaxation. Overall, age and life experience influence both the types of books people choose and how they engage with them. 3. What kind of books are most popular in your country? Answer: in my country, a variety of genres are popular, but fiction, particularly thrillers and fantasy novels, tends to be favored. Many readers also enjoy self-help and motivational books, as people are increasingly interested in personal development. Additionally, young adults often gravitate towards science fiction and young adult fiction, while older generations may prefer historical novels or biographies. Books related to culture and tradition also hold significant popularity as they connect people with their heritage. 4. In your opinion, how has technology affected the way people read books? Answer: technology has significantly transformed the way people read books. With the advent of ebooks and audiobooks, people now have more accessibility and convenience in their reading habits. Digital platforms allow readers to carry an entire library in their pockets, making it easier to access books anytime, anywhere. Additionally, technology has enabled online platforms like Goodreads and Kindle, where readers can easily find recommendations and reviews. However, some people argue that the rise of technology has reduced the habit of reading physical books, and some find digital reading less engaging compared to the tactile experience of turning pages. 5. Do you think reading fiction and non-fiction books benefits people in different ways? How? Answer: yes, fiction and non-fiction books offer different benefits. Fiction often allows readers to explore emotions, empathy, and imagination by experiencing the lives of characters in various situations. It helps develop creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to see the world from different viewpoints. On the other hand, non-fiction books tend to provide practical knowledge, information, and insights that can be applied to real-life situations. They help improve critical thinking, broaden one's understanding of the world, and can provide solutions to personal or professional challenges. Both types of books are important in their own ways. 6. How important do you think it is to encourage children to read books from a young age? Answer: encouraging children to read from a young age is incredibly important. Reading helps develop their language skills, vocabulary, and cognitive abilities. It also enhances their imagination and creativity, which are essential for their overall development. Early exposure to books can foster a love for learning and curiosity, which can positively impact their academic performance and personal growth. Furthermore, reading from a young age introduces children to a wide range of ideas, cultures, and perspectives, enriching their worldview and understanding of others.